tutorial, we are discussing about how to apply the ternary operator. So what is ternary operator? Java ternary operator is the only conditional operator that takes three operands. Java ternary operator is one-liner replacement for if then else statement and used a lot in Java programming. The first operand in Java ternary operator should be a boolean or a statement with boolean result. If the first operand is true, then Java ternary operator returns second operand, else it returns third operand. Let's see its syntax. Here is the syntax of Java ternary operator. Result is a variable which stores the result. Here test statement is the conditional statement and value 1 shows that if test statement is true, then value 1 will be printed, and if test statement will be wrong, then value 2 will be printed. If test statement is true, then value 1 is assigned to result variable, else value 2 is assigned to result variable. Let's see the code how to use ternary operator. First of all, we make a class ternary, and inside the main method we declare two variables n1 and n2 and max. Both are from integer type. First of all, we print the value n1, first num that is n1 and second num that is n2. And then we find the largest among n1 and n2. So to finding the largest among n1 and n2, we use ternary operator. And here is the syntax of ternary operator. The variable that is max in which the value is stored or the resultant value will be taken, and then compare the value, that is n1 is greater than n2. If n1 is greater than n2, then n1 will be printed, and if n1 is less than n2 or if the condition is not satisfied or it will become false, then n2 will be printed. As we know about the syntax of ternary operator, if the condition is true, then this part will execute, and if the condition is false, then this part will execute. And then we print the value, that is maximum is, and we put the resultant value here, max here. Just save it and let's execute it. We are already in the file location. And hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will give the result. First num is 5, second num is 10 and maximum is 10. So if the num1 is greater than m2, it will be n1 is printed. If we interchange it, first let's suppose I write 15 here. So in this condition, it will give me the answer. If n1 is greater than n2, then it will print n1 and if n1 is less than n2, so it will print n2. In that case, what happens? n1 is less than n2, greater than n2, this condition is false. So the maximum value is the second one. Let's see it again. Just save it and execute it. See, it will give me the answer maximum is 15. And in this case, the condition that is n1 is greater than n2 is true. So n1 will print. In the above condition example, that is n1 is greater than n2, this condition becomes false and this value will be printed. So in this way, we can use ternary operator for checking the condition, or we can say that it is used for if else, or we can say that it is another form of if else in Java. So in this way, we use the ternary operator. Thank you.